we start new chapter, cubes and cube roots. Square can be taken as the measure of surface. Cube can be taken as the measure of volume. Suppose you have a cubic piece of 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, and 1 centimeter height. So the volume of this cube is 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 cubic unit. If it is centimeter, the volume will be 1 cubic centimeter. If it is meter, the volume will be 1 cubic meter. Suppose you have got a box of 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, and 1 meter height. The volume of this box will be 1 cubic meter. Similarly, as this is a unit cube, if the length, breadth and height is 2 centimeters or 2 meters, the volume of such a cube will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 cube is equal to 8. If we assemble 8 of such unit cubes like this in a pile, we will get a cubic structure of the volume 2 cube. There will be 8 such unit cubes, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. The remaining are not same. Thus, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1 cube equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 cube equal to 8. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 cube, which is 27. So if we take 27 such unit cubes, we can assemble a cubic structure of 29 unit cubes, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 27. We are well familiar with such a cube because the 20th century game Rubik's Cube is a fantastic game of making same colors of size of these cubes, which can be rotated in face directions. All these cubes can be rotated in one direction, in the perpendicular direction, in the opposite parallel direction, and in the opposite bottom parallel direction to the top. Rubik's Cube is a very interesting game of modern time. Let us go further. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 4 cube, that is 64. 3 times 4 multiplied with itself to get 4 cube, that is 64. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5 cube. 5 multiplied with itself 3 times gives us 125, which is the cube of 5. If we take 125 such unit cubes, we can assemble a cubic structure of 5 unit sizes, which will be in length 5 units, in breadth 5 units, and in thickness also 5 units. Similarly, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, that is 6 multiplied by 6 itself 3 times gives us 216. So 216 is the cube of 6. Like that, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, that is 7 multiplied by 7 with itself 3 times gives us 343, the cube of 7. 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8, that is 8 multiplied by itself 3 times gives us 512, the cube of 8. 8 cube equal to 512. Similarly, 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, that is 9 multiplied by 9 itself 3 times gives us 729, cube of 9. Cube of 9. If we take 729 such unit cubes, we can assemble a cubic structure of length 9 units, breadth 9 units, and thickness also 9 units. That is 729 is the cube of 9. 9 cube equal to 729. Similarly, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, that is 10 multiplied by 10 with itself 3 times gives us 1000, cube of 10, that is 10 cube equal to 1000. If we take 1000 such unit cubes and assemble them together, we will get a cubic structure of 10 units length, 10 units breadth, and 10 units thickness. So here 1 and 0 becomes 1 and 3 zeros. 10 cube becomes 1000. Now these are all cubes from 1 to 10. 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 3 cube equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729, 10 cube equal to 1000. Now look at all these things and take an observation and a very good conclusion of one's basis of cubes and the numbers. Mark one's basis of the numbers. What would be the number? If its one's place is occupied by 1, then definitely its cube will always have its one's place occupied by 1. Similarly, for example, 1 cube is equal to 1. 11 cube is 1331, like that. Similarly, if there is 2 in the ones place of a number, mind it well, 2 at ones place, that is units place, last digit of any number, then its cube will have always 8 in its ones place. The other figures may be different, but there will be certainly 8 and only 8 at ones place. And we have got 2 cube equal to 8 because ones digit multiplied by ones digit gives 1 digit of ones place. Last digit of any number multiply the last digit of any number gives the last digit of that product. So 2 cube is 8, therefore any number ending in 2, having 2 in one's place, will give the cube with 8 in one's place. Similarly, if any number has 3 in its one's place, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, like that, go ahead. Then, when cubed, that is multiplied with itself 3 times, will always give 7 in its one's place. So, ones place of a number, if it is 3, then the ones place of its cube will always be 7 in the cube. Similarly, if there is 4 in ones place of a number, then there will be nothing but 4 in the ones place of its cube. And 5, if there is 5 in the ones place of a number, then there will be nothing but 5 in the ones place of that cube of that number. If there is 6 in ones place of a number, then there will be nothing but 6 in the ones place of the cube of that number. So number ending in 4 will give you the cube ending in 4. Number ending in 5 will give you the cube ending in 5. Number ending in 6 will give you the number ending with 6 in cube. Similarly, if the number is ending in 7, that is, there is 7 in the ones place of a number, then when cubed, that number, the cube of that number will always have 3 in its units place. And if there is 8 in the ones place of a number, then if you get cube of that number multiplied with itself 3 times, will always give you 2 in the units place of the cube of that number. Similarly, if there is 9 in the ones place of a number, then if you get cube of that number, that is, multiply the number with itself 3 times, you will get cube, and the cube will always have the same number 9 in its ones place. Finally, if there is 0 in ones place of any number, there will be always 0 in the ones place of its cube. Now here we observe that 2 and 3 7 and 8. 2 and 8 are vice versa. If the number adds in 2, the cube will add in 8. If the number adds in 8, the cube will add in 2. Similarly, if the number adds in 3, the cube will add in 7. And if the number adds in 7, the cube will add in 3. Vice versa. Alternate. It is very funny thing. And for the remaining, the number ending in 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0 will have the same number ending in 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 or 0. So, looking at the number, you will certainly be able to make one judgment that what will be the unit place of each cube. And looking at the unit place of a cube, you will be able to make one judgment that what will be the unit place of its cube root. So dear students, this is very interesting observation and pattern of cubes and cube roots, numbers and cubes. Practice them and prepare them. Thank you.